What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to protect your Samsung Galaxy A23 battery by limiting the charge to go only up to 85% instead of 100%, because that eventually protects your battery from too many life cycles, which eventually drains your battery health. And so to do that, go into settings. Under settings, go to battery and device care, tap on that, and then select battery, and then go down on the battery page and tap on more battery settings, and then here select protect battery, and as you can see it says to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. So tap on that to enable that, and now even if you leave your phone to charge overnight, it will never go above 85%, and in turn that will extend your phone's battery health and you can use your battery for even longer. Thanks for watching and good luck guys.